Hello everyone, friends. This is Valor. Today I'll show you how to maximize your enchantment table level. For this, we'll need an enchantment table and bookshelves. Let's place the enchantment table. As you can see, if I take a book now, right? So I'll take some lapis lazuli. I don't remember how to say it correctly in English. Lapis. Yes, we take a book, place it, and as you can see, these are our available levels. This is probably the maximum you can get in creative mode. But if we place bookshelves around our enchantment table, the enchantment level will increase. And consequently, we'll get stronger enchantments. That's all for now. This has been Valor. Goodbye, everyone.